Alright, so this is our greenhouse and we are almost done with it, 99%. You see that we still have the number 12s to put up here. We put up some over there.
And we definitely should have done those first.
Yes, but regardless, so this is what we had a problem with, the automatic window openers. And this is a big sore spot for us. I'm gonna have Chris explain.
So it's taken me a little bit to figure it out, but these pieces are best suited when you use the manual opener that comes with the kit. When you're using the automatic opener, I took off the frame piece that goes here and bolted the opener directly into the frame. So now...
So you have those brackets there, right?
Yep, so now I'll have the bracket on the bottom side temporarily until I get some screws to screw it in.
Because it didn't come with the short ones.
Because the screws that it came with are actually a little bit too long, and I'm afraid that they'll poke out the other side. Now, a lot of the videos suggest having this piston cold when you screw it in, and that's great advice. You should definitely do that. It's about 100 degrees in this greenhouse right now, and it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I got it screwed in. It's now held open, nice and warm. When it's closed, it'll shut a little bit more. Until I screw this in directly to the frame and adjust this properly, it won't shut all the way. But it will get pretty close. It'll come to about here. Once I get the right screws, I'll screw it in, and then it'll shut perfectly when it's closed.
Get up there. Close by.
So yeah, so here's how I currently have it bracketed. I'm gonna screw it directly into the frame instead of using the clamp.
You mean into the holes that are there, right?
Yeah, there's some pilot holes that are in there. I'm not sure if those are designed for that or not. And then this uses the same two bolts that were used for
So that's this
the original
piece, right?
mounting piece, like that.
So this piece?
No, I didn't use that piece in this.
You didn't?
No, I used this piece up top to clamp right up there on the other side until I screw it in.
What about the bottom then?
The bottom is screwed directly in with the flathead bolts on the other side. They're not crop head, they're the regular ones that we slid in when building the frame.